Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on KuCoin in 2025. For that, you will have to launch your KuCoin mobile application and then log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on KuCoin and you want to create one, you can use the link in the description in order to get the sign up bonuses. Now, once you are on KuCoin, you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for BTC. Now, once you type BTC, you will see BTC with different pairs like BTC/USDT, BTC/DAI, BTC/USDC. So you will have the respective amount of USDT or DAI that you can spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. Now, BTC/USDT is the most popular pair, so you need to simply tap on it, and in order to complete this transaction, make sure that you have some USDT in your account. Now over here you will see the current chart of Bitcoin and the current price of it. So you need to tap on buy in the bottom and then you will be landed on this page. Over here, by default, the limit order will be selected, so I would recommend you to keep it as it is. Now underneath it you will see the pricing of Bitcoin. So right next to it you will see the plus and minus icon. So you can use these plus and minus icon in order to increase or decrease the pricing of Bitcoin. So you can basically enter the amount at which you want to buy Bitcoin, and then you need to just enter the amount of USDT that you want to purchase in order to purchase Bitcoin. Then it will show you the equivalent amount of BTC that you are going to get. Now once you are done with it, you need to tap on the buy BTC option here, and once you do this, it will remain here until the price of BTC comes to the price that you have entered here. So once it comes here, your order will be placed and your transaction will be completed. Then your USDT will be converted into BTC, and you can view it by tapping on the assets tab and by tapping on the funding section. So with the help of this section, you will be able to manage your Bitcoin. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.